ambition is really to send drones where it's too dangerous and costly to send humans. So basically our value proposition is threefold. First of all, we do reduce the cost of inspection by using drones. Instead of using scaffolding, for example, we reduce the downtime of infrastructure by allowing infrastructure to be operating much faster, because you don't need to install scaffolding and you can enter in a few minutes inside the area that you need to inspect. And finally, decrease the risk for workers.
When we were doing research at university, we actually were trying to build robots that can go in very difficult places. And that was the time when the Fukushima disaster happened. The inspiration comes from the insects that can collide into things and continue flying afterwards. We can say we've created a new segment in flying robotics, which is the indoor inspection segment. There were no other solution before, and at this point we're recognized as the clear leader in enabling inspections and better maintenance of assets.
Flyability is about inspecting infrastructure, and infrastructure is quite old now and needs to be inspected with increasing frequency. Flyability automates those processes, and that helps these industries.
What we see is that we need to be working on providing more and more data, more and more high quality data, different sources of data, to be integrating them also very well in the workflow of our customers. Upstream, by providing fully autonomous robots that are able to perform the inspections at the click of a button, and downstream that are able to understand the defects without the need of a human operation. Another important goal for us is to pursue our international expansion. So we are going to open early 2020 a new office in the United States. That is hopefully the first of a long list of local representations that we will want to establish around the world in the coming few years.
Flyability had, when we met them, an enormous amount of traction. They had launched their first generation product. They had very happy customers to whom we were able to talk. And they were about to launch the second generation product, which we were able to even test ourselves prior to investing. And it was a very convincing step up from the first generation product. So we saw really a rocket about to launch in Flyability.